Most people think you need a computer science degree to work in AI. That is completely wrong. In fact, some of the most valuable AI roles today are being filled by former teachers, marketers, and project managers who have zero coding experience. The AI industry does not just need engineers. It needs communicators, strategists, and problem solvers from every background imaginable. Welcome to KB Bluetree, where we break down real strategies for career transformation without the fluff. Over the past year, we have helped hundreds of professionals pivot into emerging fields. And today we are focusing on one of the hottest transitions right now, moving into AI-adjacent roles, regardless of where you are starting from. You are going to learn why traditional career advice keeps you stuck, the exact framework successful transitioners use, and a real success story that proves this works. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap you can start implementing today. Let us dive in. Problem. Here is what we hear constantly. You want to break into AI because you see the opportunity, but every job posting seems to require skills you do not have. You browse LinkedIn and see people with impressive technical backgrounds landing these roles while you are sitting there with your marketing degree or operations experience, wondering if you even stand a chance. You have probably tried the obvious route, taking an online course about machine learning or Python basics. Maybe you spent weeks trying to understand neural networks when you are not even sure that is what you need. The content is overwhelming, disconnected from actual job requirements, and honestly, pretty boring when it is not clicking with your strengths. The frustration builds because you are capable and smart. You have solved complex problems in your current role. You have skills that matter. But somehow, the path into AI feels locked behind a technical wall you are not sure you can climb. You start wondering if you missed your window, or if this opportunity just is not for you. Now let us talk about why this struggle exists in the first place. The root cause is not your background or lack of technical skills. It is a fundamental misunderstanding of what the AI industry actually needs right now. Here's the reality. The AI field is drowning in technical talent, but starving for people who can bridge the gap between technology and real-world application. Companies have data scientists and engineers who can build incredible models, but they desperately need people who can identify where AI should be used, communicate its value to non-technical stakeholders, manage AI projects, ensure ethical implementation, and translate business problems into AI solutions. These roles exist right now. AI product manager, AI ethics consultant, prompt engineer, AI trainer and evaluator, AI implementation specialist, and conversation designer. None of these require you to build algorithms from scratch. They require critical thinking, communication, domain expertise, and a willingness to learn AI concepts without becoming an engineer. The second part of the problem is how career advice is structured. Most guidance tells you to learn technical skills first, then figure out where you fit. That is backward. The professionals successfully transitioning into AI are doing the opposite. They are leveraging their existing expertise and adding AI literacy on top, not starting from zero. Solutions. Here's what actually works. We call this the bridge method, and it has 3 core pillars that turn your existing background into an AI career advantage. Pillar 1 is identifying your transferable leverage. Stop thinking about what you lack and start inventorying what you bring. If you come from marketing, you understand customer behavior and communication, which is exactly what companies need for AI product positioning and user research. If you are in operations, you know process optimization, the foundation of AI implementation roles. Teaching background means you excel at breaking down complex concepts, perfect for AI training and education roles. Your first action step is to write down 3 problems you have solved in your current role and how those problem-solving skills apply to AI challenges. A project manager who coordinated cross-functional teams can manage AI implementation projects. A writer who creates clear documentation can develop AI prompt libraries and guidelines. A customer service lead who improved response times can design conversational AI experiences. Pillar 2 is strategic AI literacy, not technical depth. You do not need to code, but you do need to understand what AI can and cannot do. This means learning concepts, not implementation. Understand the difference between machine learning and generative AI. Know what problems AI solves well versus where it struggles. Learn to spot use cases in your domain where AI adds value. Understand basic AI terminology so you can communicate with technical teams. The best way to build this is through practical exposure, not theoretical courses. Start using AI tools daily in your current role. If you are in marketing, use generative AI for content ideation and see where it helps and where it falls short. If you are in finance, explore how AI tools handle data analysis. Document what works and what does not. This hands-on experience is more valuable than any certification because you are building real intuition about AI capabilities. Pillar 3 is positioning yourself at the intersection. The magic happens where your expertise meets AI application. This is not about becoming an AI generalist. It is about becoming the go-to person for AI in your specific domain. If you are in healthcare, become the person who understands both healthcare workflows and how AI can enhance them. If you are in education, position yourself as the expert in AI-enabled learning experiences. Create proof of this intersection immediately. Write articles about AI applications in your field. Build a simple project showing how AI could solve a problem in your industry. Join communities where your domain and AI overlap. Speak the language of both worlds. When you can translate between technical possibilities and domain-specific needs, you become irreplaceable. Now for the tactical implementation. Week 1. Audit your skills and create your bridge statement. Mine sounds like this. I leverage my background in blank to solve blank problems using AI, for example. I leverage my background in customer service to solve communication challenges using AI-powered tools. Weeks 2 through 4. Dedicate 30 minutes daily to hands-on AI tool exploration in your domain. Do not just play with tools randomly. Identify a real problem from your work and see if AI can help solve it. Document your experiments. What worked? What failed? What surprised you? This becomes your portfolio of practical AI understanding. Weeks 5 through 8, start creating visible proof of your intersection expertise. This could be LinkedIn posts, sharing insights about AI in your industry. A simple case study of how you used AI to improve a workflow. You're joining and contributing to online communities focused on AI applications in your field. The goal is to be discoverable by people looking for someone who understands both worlds. Simultaneously, start conversations with people already in AI-adjacent roles. Informational interviews are underrated. Most people in these roles transitioned from somewhere else and love talking about their journey. Ask them what skills from their previous career proved most valuable and what they wish they had known earlier. These conversations often lead to opportunities. Success story. Let me tell you about Nick. 18 months ago. Nick was a middle school science teacher, feeling burnt out and worried about long-term career prospects. He had no technical background, no coding skills, and no network in tech. But he had something valuable. 10 years of experience breaking down complex topics and understanding how people learn. Nick used the bridge method, started using AI tools to create lesson plans, and immediately noticed where the tools succeeded and failed. He documented these observations in LinkedIn posts from a teacher's perspective. Within 2 months, an education technology company reached out. They were building AI-powered learning tools, but struggled to make them actually useful for teachers. Nick positioned himself as the bridge. He could not build the AI, but he could tell the engineers what teachers actually needed and test whether their solutions worked in real classrooms. He landed a role as an AI product consultant. 8 months later, he moved into a full-time position as head of educator relations for an AI education platform. His salary increased by 60%, and he is doing more impactful work than he ever did in the classroom. What made Nick successful was not learning to code. It was recognizing that his teaching expertise was exactly what AI education companies desperately needed. He built just enough AI literacy to communicate with technical teams, then leveraged his domain knowledge to become invaluable. Call to action. Here is your immediate next step. Right now, before this video ends, write down your bridge statement. I leverage my background in blank to solve blank problems using AI. Say it out loud. Make it real. Then commit to 30 days of daily AI tool exploration in your domain. Just 30 minutes a day. Document what you learn. Share one insight per week publicly. This simple practice will build both your skills and your visibility faster than any course. The AI revolution is not just for engineers. It is for translators, bridges, and domain experts who can guide this technology into useful application. Your non-technical background is not a weakness, it is your differentiator. If this resonated with you, like and subscribe to KB Blue Tree for more insightful content on career transformation without the hustle culture nonsense. We are building a community of people who believe smart strategy beats grinding every time. Your background is not holding you back. It is your way in. Now go use it.